a 17-year-old senior currently attending Poly High School, and I was introduced to this class junior year. Coming into this class, I was very short-tempered and angry since I was going through a lot at home with my parents. My mental health wasn't the best, and on top of that, I was slacking in school, so I clearly wasn't in the best state. This class has helped me a lot with self-reflection and actually gaining motivation to do things both at home and in school. I use things I have learned in this class a lot.
Catching negativity was really hard for me because for as long as I can remember, I was always negative to myself. I constantly criticized myself because of what others said to me. But now, I'm able to catch it and change my thinking to something more positive, ultimately making me feel better. I was so used to being negative and always rejected the positive thoughts.
Helped me do a lot when it came to the class. Actually inspired me to start getting good grades because at first, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of lacking in school. Wasn't getting very good grades. Kind of boosted up my confidence because I didn't think really anybody would really know me. So it just really opened my eyes to like the people that's really trying to support me and help me. Where he helped me on the football field is like working together. I know you guys know his shirts, little math symbols. He helped me a lot when it came to like working together with other people. Like
he should come during our study hall. Like, I got y'all. Y'all just gotta work with me. Come talk to us, just to talk to us. Take his time off his day just to talk to us. He emailed me, check on me.
My experience with Team Stronger Together in Mr. Gray's class has really been great. Honestly, it has to be the best class I've taken in all my years of high school. All the life skills that we learned over the years have really made me aware of how to better myself. The one skill that I know I will take on my everyday life when I'm out of high school will have to be the breathing techniques because they really help me relax.
Gratitude taught me that I had control over how I chose to view my life. Did I want to view my life as a challenge, a difficult, stressful experience, or did I want to view my life as an opportunity to grow? Gratitude opened my eyes. It's taught me to view stressful situations as opportunities to grow.
Before I came to this class, I was very insecure about myself. I was always negative about myself, but I was positive towards other people and in helping them. I never gave myself props for anything. But by my junior year, Mr. Gray taught me different ways to catch my negativity and to believe in myself as someone who gets stuff done. I started working out. I started eating better. And this made me realize how strong I am physically and mentally. I lost over 50 pounds and gained 30 pounds of muscle. And I just got more comfortable with myself. And now I work every day to help others.
I would recommend this class for the simple reason that school doesn't teach us how to do life, but it teaches us a lot of other things that we might not need. But everything that you learn in here, you probably would never heard of it before, and you need to.
Overall, my experience of working with Team Stronger Together has honestly been such an eye-opener. I'm really thankful to be part of this because it helps me help my community in many different ways and shows me that there's other methods that will help get my mind and body right.
I want to help this community because this class has changed me as a person. I no longer talk negative talk, which is weird because I would always let that happen. I want to encourage people to do the 4 life skills to demonstrate that doing these 4 life skills is going to change your life.